So I made this video about how to create your own RDP from scratch, and it has generated a whole bunch of views. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a different method of creating RDP from scratch using Google Cloud. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new and give me a like if you enjoy the video. Now let's get into it. Like I said before, we are going to use Google Cloud to create the RDP, so it's compulsory to get a Gmail account. I'm going to start everything from scratch, so let's create a new Gmail account. It's asking us to verify our phone number, and for that, I'm going to use Text Verified. So head over to textverified.com and sign up for an account. When you logged in, search for Gmail. Now copy the generated number and use that to verify your Gmail. Alright, my Gmail has been created. Next, open a new tab and search for Google Cloud. Click on Get Started for free. As you can see from here, Google Cloud gives you $300 as free credit to use for 90 days, which is 3 months. And that's what we are going to use to create our RDP for free. Next, click on Start a Free Trial. First, select your country, and at the What Best Describes Your Organization, choose any of the options. Next, agree to their terms and click Continue. Here, you need to add your payment method. If you read here, it says no auto charge after free trial ends. Meaning, after spending your entire $300 in 90 days, they are not going to automatically charge your card, and you can decide to stop using the account. So let me add my payment method, then we proceed. Alright, after successfully adding your payment method, you will be logged into your dashboard as you see on the screen. So now let's create the RDP, which is very simple. First, you need to create a project. To do that, click on My First Project. Click on New Project. Give a name to your project and click Create. When your project is being created, click on My First Project again, and this time around, select the project you created. Now let's create the RDP. But first, if your Google Cloud account is new like mine, you need to enable Compute Engine. And to do that, click on the menu icon and click on Compute Engine. Now click Enable to enable the Compute Engine. My Compute Engine has been enabled, so finally, let's create the RDP. To create the RDP, click on Create Instance. Give a name to your instance, and I'm going to name mine RDP1, and it should be in small letters. At the region, you select the location or country you want your RDP to be located. Since we are running on a free trial account, leave the rest at default to prevent extra cost. Now at the boot disk, we need to change the disk, so click on Change. At the operating system, click on it and select Windows Server at the bottom. Like I said, since we are running on a free trial account, leave the rest at default. Enable the Allow HTTP and HTTPS at the firewall section, and when you are done, click on Create to create your RDP. You need to wait till the status is marked as green. My RDP has been created. Next, let's get the login credentials, and for that, click on the arrow drop down. Now click Set Windows Password. Set a username for your RDP, and it could be any name of your choice. Make sure you save it somewhere. When you are done, click on Set. After setting up your preferred username, you will be generated a random password for your RDP. Make sure to save the password too, so I will copy my password and save it. We've now gotten the username and the password for the RDP. Now the last step is to get the IP address of your RDP. And without the IP address, we can't log in with the credentials we have. So to get the IP address, click on the three dots and click on View Network Details. The external IP address represents your RDP IP address, so copy it and save it. We are now done creating the RDP. So now let's log in to see if it's truly working. And to log in, search for Remote Desktop using your Windows search bar. Now at the computer section, copy and paste your RDP IP address and click Connect. Here, enter the username and password of your RDP and click OK. So there you have it. Congratulations on making it up to this point. That's all for now. Please, if you enjoyed this step-by-step video, make sure to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming content.